Kids Day Instagram change story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. In this video I will show you from where you can get this viral Add Your sticker and also how you can do it, so keep on watching. So first of all, you will have to go to your Instagram app, go to the search icon and search for Ali and John YTT. It's this profile right here. After that, you will have to go to January 2024. If you go to my story, then you have to know that the story will expire in 24 hours, so you may not find it there. So it's best to go here at highlights. Click on that. Now tap on to find your desired sticker. There we have it. Click on the Add Yours button. And then you can go to your uploads and choose a photo with you as a kid or with your kid. And I will make sure to do that by clicking on the left bottom corner. I will go with this photo. Now you can place your sticker where you want. You can make it bigger or smaller by zooming in or zooming out. And then you can share this story with your friends by clicking in the left bottom corner. So guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, you can like it, you can subscribe to our channel, and you can also comment in the comment section down below with your questions, with your thoughts, and I'll make sure to answer to your questions as quickly as possible and help you out. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.